So what is the force acting on a curved surface? So you can see that here there is a curved body. This part is curved. So how will you force acting on this curved body? So this curved body, you can take it like this. So the curved body, the force acting will be in this direction. You can resolve this into Fx and Fy. So here they have shown the elemental force. But the total force will be Fx and Fy. This Fx is equal to the force acting on the projected area. The force acting on this projected area, Fx. So if you take here, this is the projected area, Fx. So Fx, the formula is equal to Fx is equal to rho g A. Area means the projected area into h bar. That means the centroid of this projected area. From the free surface. So this is how you calculate Fx. Then how will you calculate uh, Fy? Fy is equal to weight of the liquid column on the top of this curved surface. That is weight of the liquid column A, B, C. If you call this D, then it is weight of A, B, C, D. Okay. So that means weight of all the liquid above this curved surface. That is the weight of this. So the resultant force will be equal to Fx square plus Fy square. So this is how you calculate the force on a curved surface. Now this is a variation here. You can see that. So how will you find the force acting on this curved surface? See here, if you take the projected area of this curve, so that means projection will be something like this. Okay, so the projection here, it will be equal to Fx. But for this curved surface, there is no liquid column above it. So how will you find Fy? The force will be in this direction. You can find Fx by finding the projected area. But how will you find Fy? So this Fy is equal to the weight of the liquid column. We'll call it D. Weight of the liquid column ABOD. Weight of liquid column ABOD. See, there is no liquid here, but we will assume there is an imaginary fluid here. So the imaginary fluid, actually the direction should be in this direction. Since it is imaginary fluid, we will take the opposite direction. Fy will be in the opposite direction. Actually, if there was liquid, direction would have been like this. But we are taking here an imaginary column of liquid, so the direction will be Fy in this direction. and this Fy is equal to weight of the imaginary liquid column. Imaginary liquid column. Okay, this is how you find the force on a curved surface.